Hi guys, this is me Sagar from SG Unreal Creation, and thanks a lot guys for your love and support to help me reach out, was more than 5,000 subscribers. So thanks a lot guys, I really love you. And one more thing, I'd like to tell you that I'm going to launch very soon. I already launched TPS game kit out for sale, and now I was working on zombie TPS shooter game kit, so that will release very soon. So today I'll show you some demo of that kit, and one more thing, I will give you a promo code to all my subscriber, maybe tomorrow, so you can use that promo code into any game kit. That will give you 20% discount into any kit. So right now here is 2 kit, division and TPS game kit, and when I give you the promo code, so here at that time you will get 3 kits. So here I will upload tomorrow a zombie TPS game kit, which I show you soon. What's on in my new kit. So let me show you the demo. So this is the simple map, like this is the TPS kit, but I removed the normally I because this is a zombie game kit. So it's very simple. First of all, what you need to do is just put, if you want to play a horde mode, I'll give you 2 types of AI. Both are totally different. One is horde type, and second one is roaming around here and there. If you contact the cross their line of sight, so they will come to you and kill you, try to kill you, and that kind of. I will show you everything into this demo. So this is wipe, not fully complete, but I love to show you what I am try to do in here. So first of all, what we just need simple horde spawner, put into the level, and here's some thing, a zombie god. How much zombie you want to spawn in waves. So first of all, crank this up, 20 uh 30 by 30. So you need to put this into your level, any level. It automatically spawns zombies there. Okay, so put it over here, and it's good to go. So when you start your game, time is pop up, and I think you heard a sound of clocking. So now zombie will spawn. You should, oh, there is a zombie. So you get left hand side, you got the scores and everything. They are very, I give you the animations also. They are and when they die, they will spawn random items also. Did you see? Got the guns. So you have to clean the wave, and wave will come again and again after some time. And here you kill 5 zombies, round 1 clear, score. So that kind of thing. So I'll show you some good things. So now this one, they're very quick and very dangerous. They kill. So you can respawn again, level will restart. So this is the zombie horde kind of gameplay. If you want how much level you can survive, they will come and come again with good numbers. Each time you kill them, you clear the round, it will automatically update zombies count and spawn multiply the number of zombies. So So this is the zombie horde mode. If you want this into your game, so you can choose this, and if you don't want this kind of zombie, you know, quickly come to you, and if they are ready. Oh oh man, they killed. So okay, so this is the zombie horde mode, and I just delete this spawner. And right now there is a zombie spawner. This is a simple survival game kind of zombie, so they have good qualities, but they are also very deadly. So you have to just put this spawner into your level and crank the value 40 by 40 if you want. So randomly spawn zombies into this area. And second thing, we have to just simply unplug this for now. If you want, you can actually it takes a little bit time. There's a lot of things need to be compiled, so when you play, zombie will spawn there, and they are usually normal zombies like the game. So they are roaming here and there, and if you close to their line of sight, they will try to come and kill you, but they are really very scary. Sometimes they move very fast. You see? Okay, so they also spawn random items. So now my health is going down, so I have to press H to fill. So if they see me, so now if I, you know, if I make him fool, like I go far away from his line of sight, so he forget me. So now did you see, he's just screaming there, and he just wait for me and go again his normal condition. So if I go again his line of sight, so he try to chase me again, and if I make him fool again, so he forget me again. But if third time you go into the side, he will go crazy and he will never leave you behind. He tried to come and chase you and try to kill you in any cost. So I give him a memory, so he will kill you without breathing. So now he tried to kill me in any cost. Oh man, he killed me. So this kind of zombies. Now when he see you are dead, he will go his patrolling edit state. So this kind of zombie you can play with. You got two kind of zombies, AIs, so you can make this you can use this into your survival game, and you can got lot of things. You can got fully TPS kit. You can, you know, pick things, open the doors and survive. So you can expand this kit into your game. So yeah, like right now work in progress, so I will add more things into this. So if you have any comments and if you have any questions for this kit, you can comment me. And thank you guys to check me, and you will get promo code to my all of my kits available on marketplace. You got 20% off And those who already buy my TPS kit, they got a loyalty bonus code, so they will get more discount. Those people who already buy my TPS kit and the division kit, so those people also got loyalty bonus promo card, so they will get more discount. So thank you guys, thanks to tune my channel, and thanks for your love and support. See you soon. Bye.